Hey guys, in today's video we are going to draw a cute squishmallow mummy. Let's have a look. Let's start with the squishmallow shape. So squishmallow shape like this. Bring that around and there's our shape for the mummy. Draw some bandages on. So let's start with a line across there and another line across there. So that looks like bandages wrapping that way. And we're going to have a bandage wrapping this way. We're going to have one that goes all the way across. Like that. And this is where the head shape's going to be. So we're just going to bring the line in here because that's where the face is going to be in here. We're going to have a smile. I'm going to draw my eyes in with black. And a smile like that, and we'll give the mummy a different colour. Colour in that. 2 circles inside the eyes. Now let's finish the bandage off. So from here to here we're going to have a line like so. And another line that comes around like this. Then we're going to have one that looks like it comes underneath there. Another one coming underneath there. Then we'll have a full one like this. Then we'll have another one that comes down like that. Then another one like this. And then let's go full one again. And let's do another part here and another part there. And there's a cute mummy squishmallow.